Bonjour, we are back with our exercise of lesson 3, the last one which was remaining for discussion. Corrigez les erreurs d'accent et réécrivez les mots. Corrigez les erreurs d'accent et réécrivez les mots. Correct the mistakes in accents and rewrite. Ça va bien is given. The whole spelling is wrong. Just copy the spelling and write the correct accent. For example, Sava, Sa is having half 5, C, A, Sava, then space, VA, and space, BIE, and Bia. Après-midi, we have to write the spelling as it is and put the correct accent on E. E is having accent grave and not the circumflex. Then, comma, the whole spelling is wrong. COMMENT, comma, that's it, without accent. Then, matin is MATIN, simple, without accent. Here, the wrong is I with accent circumflex. Then, bientôt, BIENTO with circumflex and T. Bientôt, the correct spelling is that. All the vowels are not having any of the accent. So this was your lesson 3's exercise 7 which was remaining in workbook. Now I explain you lesson 4 from your textbook. So lesson 4, that is lesson 4, les nombres. Les nombres, the numbers that you have. Now again, Paul and Sarah are talking that France is the most visited country of the world. Around 84 million tourists come to France every year. Sarah says that's why Paris seems so crowded. Why he is talking about this particular fact, it is showing numbers 84 million tourists and giving you the fact that it is the most visited country and most crowded city, that is Paris. Okay, les nombres, we have 0 to 20 in this chapter. Comptons ensemble de 0 à 20. Let us count together from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this page, it is said how to count and write in French. Comptons, let us count. In this, the cartoon characters are saying, by looking at this pen, voici 8 stylos. No, voila 12 stylos. Voici, here is 8 pens. This one is saying, no, there are 12 pens. Then this fellow counts again and says, oui, oh, yes. Okay. Now we have some small exercise on how we write the French name. We have some pencils. If we count, we get it in the number of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we write voici 15 crayons. Here is 15 pencils. How many girls are there? 3. Voici 3 filles. Filles means girls. Then a group of boys. How many? If we count, it is 4. Voici 4 garçons. Garçon means boy. And plural by adding as garçon, boys. How many cars? We have actually 7 cars. 7. Voici 7 voitures. 7 cars. So you know a little bit of maths properly by adding and subtracting. Les nombres. This is a small poem of numbers. Un, deux, trois, salut, c'est moi. 1, 2, 3, hi, it's me. 4, 5, 6, ça va, Maurice. 4, 5, 6, how are you, Maurice? 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, et toi, Iris or Iris? Super, Maurice. I'm fine. Okay, it's the reply. We have le vocabulaire français anglais, that is chaise, chair, fille, girls, garçon, boys, glass, ice cream, livre, book, no, no, oui, yes, stylo, pen, voici, here are, voila, there are, and voiture, car. So this was your 4th lesson, and we go with the textbook exercises of this lesson. Lesson 4. Les exercices. Écrivez les chiffres en lettres. Write the numbers in words. Here are some steps given. You also must have played with this kind of steps in your childhood. Okay? You must be playing it now also. Okay? So 1 to 10 is given, small space is given where you are writing its French name. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It should be in the boxes. On next page, we have some picture exercise. Comptez et écrivez. Count and write. How many ice creams? Ice creams are known as glass. Voila dash ice creams. That is glass. Voila dash glass. It is 7. Voila 7 glass. We have to write the number in French. How many chairs? 5. We have 5 chairs. Voila 5 chaises. How many books? 4. Voila 4 livres. How many boy? Only 1. Voila un garçon. Now we have to match the picture with the numbers here. Pencils, how many? 6. C's crayon. A will go with 4. 3 filles. B will go with 3. C, it is deux garçons, 2 boys. C will go with 2. And D, 3 livres, it will go with 1. Okay. Now we have the counting exercise, which is the most important one, plus minus multiplication, and we have their French names. Plus, that is plus, fois, that is multiplication, moins means minus. For example, the plus 3 égale 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. B, 1 plus 16 equal dash. 1 is known as un, plus 6 égale 17, 17. 4 into dash égale 20. If we divide 20 by 4, it becomes 5. That is the trick. You have learnt it in your earlier classes of maths. When you were small, you are learning maths since form 1, right? 4 is 4. Here we have to write 5, that is 5 in English, and 5 in blank. 20 is given. We have to write the French name. 1. D. 18 minus dash gives you 5. Now, if we minus 5 from 18, it becomes 13, which will come here in the middle blank. 18 is 18 moins 13. 13 égale 5. 5 plus 5 equal to dash 10. 5 plus 5 10. Okay. Now we have to draw the number of objects in the given boxes. First one is quatre voitures. You are going to draw small 4 cars. 12 ballons. Ballon is ball also or balloons also. You can draw any 12 balloons or 12 balls. If we turn the page 44, it becomes another 2 pictures of drawing and putting it into the box. 7 papillons, 7 butterflies. You draw 7 butterflies here. And the last one is 9 livres. Try to draw the books very small and 9 in number. The last exercise. Écrivez les chiffres en lettres. Write the numbers in words. 0 to 10 series is given, 11 to 20 series is given. This is the most important exercise of writing the series. Series from 0 to 10. We write the spelling of 0 in French till these. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and these. All in French. Names of the number. Now, second series is 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we are drawing till, writing the numbers from 11 to 20 in French. Okay. Number 7 is your listening exercise, which we do not do. So we put a small crossover here. In the next session, we are going to discuss about your Leçon 4 workbook exercise. Then gradually we will move for the revision to Leçon 5. Till then, au revoir.